Here I'm going to instrument is called adjuster. The adjuster is calculated with the 50 newtons per area. We can use manual, it is electrical, it is sensor based, we can feel it, then you start functioning. Without this, it does not work. So I palpate the patella, put it in the direction of infromedial to superolateral. Finish. After the few correction, we come to know the both are equal. If you want to do manual, put a hand, middle finger in the center, index on the superolateral, press it upwards, moving that, push, push, push. This direction, we ask to push it. It is a just thrust, we give a response. This is correction of patella. You see the result within a seconds. Stair climbing, cycling, all promote immediately. Especially in athletes, people, they had suffering of patella. This is one condition is called infromedial. So here we don't have the another patient. So we consider her left side as the subluxation of area. How to correct? Here, I'm not treating her, I'm just to mock because of she doesn't have problem in this knee joint. So here, what's the difference? How to treat this difference? The first one is we are extended. For this correction, I have to flex it. Now question, why gone to flex it? Because everybody know the lateral condyle is smaller. When I flex, it becomes larger. So I can easily to push into medial side. If it is extension, there is no chance to go medial side. Here, patella always go in a shorter side. So I make it a flexion, enlarge the lateral one, put it on the gun on this point, and click towards 1, 2, 3. 3 clicks towards infromedial. And the correction is put the hand through the middle fingers, flexion, thrust. This is a good position. One method, so you want to know the another method. Therapist sit along with the patient, take the leg into the thigh. The advantage is in supine lying, the psoas and iliacus is elongated. Now it is shortened. And put a hand here, put it on the stride. My middle finger on the chin of tibia, ring finger on the infromedial. So hook it, push it towards infromedial direction and thrust. This is the ideal position of maneuver method for correction. Sometimes patient does not feel comfortable, make them to lie down and do it in the flexion of the knee joint. But here, iliac psoas is always elongated. So that's why the first procedure in sitting is much better than this area to correct.